Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Techie Teddy here to do another product review. Today we'll be doing a full unboxing and setup with the Koogeek P1 Smart Outlet. For those of you who haven't done so already, be sure to pound that subscribe button. If you enjoyed my video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me or would like to share some helpful tips, be sure to leave your comments below. The Koogeek Smart Outlet is a great addition to your home. The device will only cost you about $25. I have posted the link below so you can get your own right from Amazon. This smart outlet is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. It's incredibly easy to control this device, and whatever you end up plugging into the outlet, you can simply control it from just your voice. Setup only takes a few minutes, and what's great is that there's no hub required. When you configure the smart outlet, the Koogeek Home app helps you seamlessly connect this product to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This device will not work with your 5 GHz network. Once we go ahead and get the lid popped off, you'll see that Koogeek has given us an instruction manual that will help us understand how the device works and how to set it up. More on setup in a minute. The hardware itself isn't that big. You can easily fit this into your outlet plate and still have room for another plug in the second outlet. I really like the design of this smart outlet. It's not overly intrusive and looks really nice and modern when it's plugged into your outlet. Now let's go ahead and get the smart plug set up and paired to our home network. First, you'll want to plug the Koogeek into the outlet. When you plug it in, you should see a blinking green light, which will represent that the outlet is receiving power and that it is in setup mode. Launch the Koogeek Home app. To add a device, select the plus sign from the top right of the app and then select Next. Now scan the 8-digit code located on the front of the instruction manual. Once you scan the code, you'll see the Koogeek P1 device from the menu page. Go ahead and select the device and your phone will begin to pair to the outlet. If it asks you to add the accessory to the network, select Allow. The connection might take a few minutes, so allow it to connect and configure. Once you get the device connected, feel free to rename the outlet and select which room the device will be located. You can also change the icon of the outlet to match the country you're located in. Once you have renamed the outlet and selected the room, select Next and Done. Now you should be able to see the smart plug from the main menu in the Koogeek Home app. If you force press on the device, it will bring up an interface that you can change whether the outlet is on and receiving power or off. Since this device is Apple HomeKit compatible, you can see the smart plug right from the Home app. Feel free to edit the name of the outlet if you decide to change the location or the item that's plugged into the outlet. As you guys can see from this video, the Koogeek P1 Smart Plug is a great addition to your smart home and provides you with incredible home automation features. I would say that this device is definitely necessary if you are the type of person that likes putting outlets on timers and creates rules based on time of day or your phone's location. With the holidays coming up, this is an ideal smart plug to control your holiday or Christmas lights and trust that they will shut off at a certain time to help save on your utility bill. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos like this one. I will be releasing new content each week from a wide range of smart tech companies. For now, that's all. Thanks for stopping by. Techie Teddy out.